on my way to you, though I'll admit it may take me some time.
The first step is to open up Shader Editor. Drag this side down. Click this little graph line, Shader Editor. And then you'll see Principled BSDF and Material Output. Now turn the roughness on Principled BSDF all the way down. Find roughness, and then put it down to 0. It should make the object you want to be glittery kind of glossy. Now on your keyboard, click Shift A, then search Voreo or Veronio texture. Click on it, and then drag it to wherever you want. Now we're going to do the same thing. Shift A on your keyboard, type Fur-Nestle, and then drag it to the bottom of Veronio texture. Now, click Shift A again, search up Math, not Vector Math, just Math, click it, and then drag it to wherever you want. Now where it says Add on the Add tool, click that, then click Subtract. Now it's a Subtract tab. Click on the Veronio Texture tab, drag the line from Color to the first Value tab on Subtract. Like this. And there you go. Now what we want to do is search up Mix Shader. Shift A, search Mix Shader. Click on it and put it beside the Subtract tab. Now connect the top Value tab from Subtract to the bottom Shader tab of Mix Shader. Then drag Material Output all the way up to the side of Mix Shader. Now, from the Mix Shader tab, click the Shader button, and then drag it all the way down to Surface from Material Output so that they can connect. And then you'll see these little dot things. We're gonna fix that soon, so don't worry. Now, go to Frenzel, since we just added that, click Fac, and then drag it to the other fact next to the Mix Shader tab, all the way up there. Click BSDF on Principled BSDF, this little tab right here, and then drag that to the shader on Mix Shader. Now what you want to do is add a normal map. Click Shift A, search up normal map, and put it next to Principled BSDF. Add another Voreo texture, Shift A, Voreo, and put it next to normal map. Click Color on Veronio texture, then drag that to Color of Principled BSDF texture. Connect Color from Veronio texture to the color on normal map. Next, click Normal on normal map, and then find the normal on Principled BSDF, and then connect it. Now what you want to do is change the scale on Veronio texture to 123.0. And then it should look really glittery. But make sure to put the strength at 0.4. You can also go to the base color to color the glitter. I think it looks fine as pink. And then this is basically how it looks like when it is rendered.